Introducing Resort TNC, Webflow travel and tourism website template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, let's explore the live preview of Resort TNC. Now let's see how to use Resort TNC.
This is our template Resort TNC. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look, here, you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now let's customize the nav menu. For this, I need to double tap on navbar and select the nav link, what I want to change. Here I replaced this nav link name from home with our resort. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection or URL. After that, you can easily customize or change this hero heading text. Here, I just select the text and replaced it with Welcome to Theme Encode LLC. Then, I also rewrite this subtitle too. You can see how easy it is to customize this template. Let's customize this button. Here, I select the button and it shows all the options for editing this button. Have a look, here I changed this button name from View Details to Click Here. You can also change the button link, preload, page connection, open type, or URL. After that, you can change this image by clicking on Replace Image option. You can easily change, edit, add or delete any text or images in this template. Just select the element and do whatever you want. After that, you will find our video section here. You can easily change the video by clicking on the Replace Video option. You also get options to include loop video, autoplay video, play or pause button. Here, you will find our news and blog section. All of these come from CMS items. If you want to change, edit, add or delete any of these content or any other CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS items management, click the I button of this video, or I will attach the video link in the description box. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph. After that, you can edit or change each link or text. So, you can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template as per your requirements, and it is quite easy.
So, if you are looking for the best Webflow travel and tourism website template, get Resort TNC. And if you want to browse more templates, visit tncflow.com.